everyone, Jessica here with the Graves Group at Keller Williams Portfolio. Today, I want to talk to you about open houses. It's just one of the tools in our toolkit that we use to get homes sold. So we have discussed pricing your property accordingly. We have discussed staging, and now let's talk about open houses and what makes an open house successful. So one thing I do is that I host open houses the first weekend your listing hits the market. That's when you're going to have the most amount of people looking at your property online. And when they see an open house, they will more than likely come during that time. Another thing I do is I will host an open house after a price improvement. Chances are somebody who has seen your home in the past, who has been looking online and they see a price improvement, they may be more motivated at that time to come and take a look at your house. So I've had sellers ask me, do I really sell a home during an open house? And actually I do. There have been times where buyers have come by the open house and that was the second, possibly third time they have been to the house. So maybe their agent was available, maybe they just wanted to come and take a look on their own. And me, as the listing agent, I remove all doubt, answer all their questions, and give them information that they didn't even know to ask. So if you are thinking about listing your home, give me a call and we'll discuss all the different strategies we use to get your home sold. Thank you.